Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set webhooks with Jotform. Webhooks are an incredibly useful tool that allow your forms to automatically send data to other applications or services in real time, making your workflow much more efficient and automated. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll see a list of all your existing forms. Browse through and select the form you want to set up webhooks for. After selecting it, click the Edit Form button. This will open up the Form Builder interface where you can make changes and add integrations to your form. Now that you're in the Form Builder, look toward the top of the screen and click on Settings. This tab is your gateway to all the configuration options available for your form, including integrations, notifications, and various form behaviors. After clicking Settings, you'll see a left panel appear with several options. From this panel, click on Integrations. This section houses all the third-party apps and services you can connect with Jotform, allowing your form to communicate with external platforms seamlessly. In the Integrations section, you'll notice a search field at the top. Type webhooks into this search field and hit Enter. The webhooks integration should appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to open the webhook configuration panel. You'll now see a field labeled Webhook Endpoint URL. This is where you'll paste the URL of the service or application you want to send your form data to. Make sure you have this URL ready from the external service you're integrating with. Paste it carefully into this field to ensure the connection works properly. Once you've entered your webhook endpoint URL, scroll down to the bottom of the panel and click Complete Integration. This action establishes the connection between your Jotform and the external service, enabling real-time data transfer whenever someone submits your form. Finally, to save all your changes and activate the webhook, click Finish or Save. This confirms your setup and ensures that the webhook will start working immediately. From now on, every time someone fills out your form, the data will automatically be sent to your specified endpoint. And that's it. You've successfully configured webhooks with Jotform, allowing your forms to communicate directly with other apps and services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.